With Mother's Day right around the corner, there is no better time to learn how to design your own beautiful floral arrangement for mom. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I designed this beautiful floral arrangement using the Madison 6 vase from Christoph. This makes it the perfect two-in-one gift for mom. Starting with your greens, you want to start to place them into your vase. I'm going to add them in a crisscross interlocking pattern to create the foundation of my arrangement. Now you can use any greens that you have. I just happen to be working with wax flower, but the mechanics that I'm using is applicable for any type of greens that you have. And you'll want to just be turning your arrangement as you're designing so that you can see it from all angles and make sure that it is balanced. So this wax flower or whatever greens that you're working with is going to create the base of your arrangement, and it's going to give you the structure that you need for the rest of the design. Now I'm going to go in with some roses. I have pink roses as well as white roses. And as I'm designing with the roses, I'm going to keep that same technique of going in at an angle and creating an interlock with my design. And as you design, you're going to want to have some pieces that are tall, some pieces that are a little bit shorter to give your design some visual interest. One commonly neglected area of the arrangement is the base. So as you're designing, make sure that you are inserting some flowers nice and low so that the collar of the arrangement is beautiful like the rest of it. And as you can see, the arrangement is already coming together. We have a lot more flowers to add, which is great. I think any mom would love to receive this arrangement. Now I've finished with my pink roses. I'm going to go in with some white roses. And this is still the same technique, adding them in to the structure that you have. So at this point, your arrangement is going to be pretty firm. You're gonna have a lot of structure there, so it's gonna become easier to place your roses. Again, spinning your arrangement around to make sure that you're able to really clearly see any holes that are in your design so you can add some stems to any empty areas. If you see some flowers start to dip, just pull them out so that you can see all of the beautiful stems inside of your arrangement. Once you get to a certain stage in your design, it's going to become a little bit harder to tuck in the flowers. So what you can do is just insert your finger and let your finger create space for your stem. I'm going to go in with my smaller stems. And so you want to work from larger, fuller flowers to smaller flowers so that those smaller flowers actually are seen in your arrangement. Sometimes putting them in too early can lead to them getting lost in the design. And your arrangement is already looking really full, really beautiful. We are almost done. And I'm sure any mom would love this arrangement made from the heart and with this beautiful vase from Christoph. It is truly the perfect gift for Mother's Day. So far in my arrangement, I have wax flower, I have roses, I have ranunculus, and now I'm adding in the last couple stems. And now I'm just gonna zhuzh up the arrangement. If you see, there are some pieces of wax flower that are a little bit too tall. You can feel free to just trim it down to an appropriate size. Also, if you see any stems that have kind of fallen in a little bit too far, feel free to pull those out. And just like that, you are all done with your floral arrangement. Don't forget to leave your comments below. And again, if you are interested in this vase, it is the Madison 6 vase from Christoph.